choosing a movie?
What do you want to watch tonight, Mark?
I don't know. Maybe a fast action movie?
I'm not really in the mood for an action movie.
Okay. What do you prefer instead?
I'd love to watch a good comedy.
Comedies are okay, but some of them are very silly.
That's true, but they make me laugh after a long day.
How about a drama then?
Drama is too sad for a Friday night.
Yeah, you're right. We want to relax.
What about this new romantic comedy?
Oh no, I really don't like those.
Really? They're usually very sweet and fun.
I just think they're too predictable.
Well, action films are predictable too.
That's different. They have cool special effects.
Okay, let's compromise.
What's your idea?
Can we watch a mystery movie?
Oh, I love mysteries.
Me too. They keep me thinking the whole time.
Is there a new one on this app?
Yes. Look at this one. It has great reviews.
The main actor in that is amazing.
Perfect. Do you want some popcorn?
Yes, please. I can make it.
Great. I'll start the movie now.
Sounds like a plan.
Ordering dinner?
What are you going to order, David?
I think I want the spicy pasta.
Oh, is it really spicy?
Yes, but I love spicy food.
I don't like it much because it burns my mouth.
That's too bad, but it's so delicious.
I prefer mild food, like the margarita pizza.
The pizza here is very good too.
Do you want to share a starter?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Maybe the garlic bread?
I love garlic bread. That's perfect.
Great. What about a green salad?
I don't really want salad tonight.
No problem. We can just get the bread.
Do you want red wine or white wine?
I prefer white wine with my pizza.
Okay. Let's get a bottle of white wine.
Perfect. That sounds very nice.
Are you going to get dessert later?
Yes, I love their chocolate cake.
Really? I think it's way too sweet.
How can cake be too sweet?
I prefer fresh fruit or vanilla ice cream.
Well, we can order both.
That's a very good idea.
Great. Let's call the waiter over.
I'm ready to order now.
Buying a gift.
Liam, look at this blue sweater.
It's nice, but does Sam like blue?
Yes, blue is his favorite color.
I think he prefers green or black.
No, he always wears blue shirts.
You're right, actually.
Do you think he likes sweaters?
I'm not sure. He prefers jackets.
What about this brown leather jacket?
That looks very cool, but it's expensive.
Oh, you're right. It's too much money.
Let's look for something cheaper.
How about a book? He loves reading.
Yes, but books can be hard to choose.
We know his favorite writers.
True, but maybe he already has them.
That's a good point.
What about a coffee mug?
That's a bit boring, isn't it?
Well, he drinks coffee every day.
Yes, but a mug isn't very special.
How about a nice water bottle for the gym?
Oh, that's a great idea.
He goes to the gym 3 times a week.
Yes, and his current bottle is very old.
Let's find a blue water bottle.
Look, there's one over there.
Perfect. Let's get it.
Weekend plans.
Do you have any plans for the weekend, Tom?
Not yet. I want to go hiking.
Hiking sounds like a lot of work.
Really? I think it's very relaxing.
I prefer to stay inside when it's hot.
But the weather is going to be perfect.
I know, but I love reading on the sofa.
You can do that anytime, Rachel.
That's true, but I'm tired from work.
Hiking gives you fresh air and energy.
I get energy from sleeping.
What about a short walk in the park instead?
A park walk is much better.
Great. We can go to the city park.
Can we get ice cream there?
Yes, they have a great ice cream shop.
Okay, now I want to go.
What's your favorite flavor?
I love strawberry. It's my favorite.
I prefer chocolate, but strawberry is good.
Chocolate is too heavy for a hot day.
Maybe, but it's always delicious.
We can meet at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock is perfect.
Should I bring my dog?
Yes, please. I love your dog.
Great. See you on Saturday.
See you then, Rachel.
Music playlists.
Jack, can you change the song?
Don't you like this song?
No, it's too loud and fast.
I love rock music. It wakes me up.
It gives me a headache while driving.
Okay, what do you want to listen to?
I prefer some quiet pop music.
Pop music is so boring, Sophie.
It's not boring. It's peaceful.
I need something with a strong beat.
How about some indie music?
Indie is okay, I guess.
Let's find a playlist we both like.
Do you like this band?
Yes, they're actually really good.
Oh, I know this song. It's quite catchy.
See, we can agree on something.
Can I turn the volume up a little?
Just a little bit, please.
Is this level okay for you?
Yes, that's much better.
Do you like going to live concerts?
Yes, I love them.
Me too. The atmosphere is amazing.
We should go to a concert next month.
I'd love that. Let's look for tickets.
Great. I can check online tonight.
Awesome. Let's do that.
Buying shoes.
What do you think of these black shoes, Ryan?
They look very nice, but are they comfortable?
I'm not sure I need to try them on.
I think comfort is more important than style.
I disagree. I want them to look good.
But your feet will hurt after an hour.
That's true, but they're so pretty.
Look at these blue trainers over here.
Those are too casual for my work.
Do you have a smart dress code?
Yes, I can't wear trainers to the office.
Oh, I understand now.
Let me try this pair.
How do they feel?
Actually, they are very soft.
Really? That's surprising.
Yes, the leather is flexible.
Are they the right size?
Yes, they fit perfectly.
How much do they cost?
They are $50.
That's a very good price.
I think so too.
Do they have them in brown?
I prefer black. It goes with everything.
Yes, Black is a safe choice.
Okay, I'm going to buy them.
Good choice, Jessica.
Coffee or tea?
Are you making coffee, James?
Yes. Do you want some?
No, thanks. I don't drink coffee.
Really, how do you stay awake?
I prefer green tea in the morning.
Tea is too weak for me.
I think coffee is too bitter.
You can add milk and sugar.
Even with sugar, I don't like the taste.
That's fair. Everyone is different.
Do you drink coffee all day?
No, just 1 cup in the morning.
That's good too. Much coffee is bad.
Yes, it makes me feel nervous.
Exactly. Tea is much calmer.
What kind of tea do you have?
I have green tea and herbal tea.
Herbal tea has no caffeine, right?
Yes, I drink it at night.
I should try that. I have trouble sleeping.
Chamomile tea is excellent for sleep.
Can I try one of your tea bags?
Of course, help yourself.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Let me know if you like it.
I'll tell you tomorrow morning.
Enjoy your coffee now.
Thanks. Enjoy your tea too.
Booking a hotel?
Leo, look at this hotel in Spain.
It looks nice, but is it near the beach?
No, it's in the city center.
I prefer to be close to the water.
But the city center has better restaurants.
I don't mind walking to restaurants.
Yes, but the beach hotels are very expensive.
Let me see the prices.
See? They're double the price.
Wow, you're right. That's a lot.
Plus, this city hotel has a pool.
A pool is good, but it's not the sea.
True, but we can save money this way.
Does it include breakfast?
Yes, it has a free buffet breakfast.
I love buffet breakfasts. That's a big plus.
And the reviews are excellent.
What do people say about the rooms?
They say the rooms are very clean and quiet.
That's very important to me.
Me too. I hate noisy hotels.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
No, but there's a park nearby.
That's fine. I can run in the park.
So, do you agree on this hotel?
Yes, it's a very good option.
Great, I'll book it now.
Awesome. I'm excited.
Best season?
Autumn is finally here.
I'm not happy about it.
Really? Why not?
I hate the cold weather.
But the trees look so beautiful now.
Yes, but it rains too much.
I love rainy days. They're very cozy.
I prefer hot summer days.
Summer is too hot for me.
You can go to the beach and swim.
Yes, but you also get sunburned.
You just need to wear sunscreen.
True, but I don't like sweating.
In autumn, you have to wear heavy coats.
I love warm sweaters and scarves.
They're too bulky for me.
What about winter? Do you like winter?
No, winter is the worst season.
I agree with you there. It's too dark.
Yes, the days are so short.
Spring is nice, though.
Yes, spring is my second favorite.
I love when the flowers bloom.
Me too, but my allergies are bad then.
Oh, that's a shame.
So, summer is definitely the best.
Well, we can agree to disagree.
Yes, at least we both like spring.
New apartment decor.
What color should we paint the living room, Ethan?
I think we should paint it white,
White is too bright and boring.
but it makes the room look bigger.
I prefer a warmer color, like light blue.
Blue is nice, but it can look cold.
Not if we choose a soft shade.
What about light gray?
Gray is okay, but it's a bit sad.
I think it looks very modern.
Let's look at some paint samples.
Look at this warm beige color.
Oh, I actually really like that.
Me too. It's cozy but bright.
Perfect. Beige it is.
Now what about the sofa?
I want a big green sofa.
Green? That's a very bold choice.
Yes, it will look great with beige walls.
I prefer a simple brown leather sofa.
Leather is too cold in the winter.
We can put some blankets on it.
Fabric is much softer and cheaper.
That's true. Leather is very expensive.
Let's find a fabric sofa then.
Can we get a dark gray one?
Yes, that matches beige very well.
Great. We're making good progress.